Hello dear students. Today in the series of quick revision class 9th, I will start with the chapter atoms and molecules. So my name is Dr. Vaishali Ghai and the name of this channel is Tricks by Chemistry Guru, and this is the second part of this chapter, atoms and molecules. In the previous video, that means first part of this chapter, I have explained you about relative atomic mass and atomic mass unit. Today we'll discuss few definitions like gram atomic mass. So what is gram atomic mass? It is basically defined as the atomic mass of element, any element in grams. If I take the mass, atomic mass of any element in grams, I call it as gram atomic mass. Okay. For example, if I write atomic mass of carbon is 12 gram. It means the number of gram atoms is equal to, for carbon is equal to mass in grams divided by gram atomic mass. So basically number of gram atoms can be related with this gram atomic mass. Next definition I have is atomic mass unit. We generally call it as AMU. What is this? If I write the formula 1 AMU, it is basically 1/12 of mass of one carbon atom. 1/12 of mass of one carbon atom, we call it as atomic mass unit. So as we have discussed in the previous video, 1/12 and the mass of carbon atom is 12 divided by Na, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. That comes out to be 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams that we have discussed in the previous video. So that is atomic mass unit. And third we have is average atomic mass. Sometimes we'll be having the atomic mass of an element in fractions. Like for chlorine, if we talk about, it is 35.5. Why this is so? So this is, we found that for such cases, atoms which are having different masses, they exist in the form of isotopes. So different atoms may exist in the form of isotopes, and for such cases, average value has to be taken, and there is a formula for this, and the formula is for calculating average atomic mass is summation of the relative abundance multiplied by atomic mass of that isotope. So summation means suppose any element is having two isotopes. So abundance of that isotope multiplied by its atomic mass plus abundance of second isotope multiplied by its atomic mass divided by 100. For example, if I talk about chlorine, so chlorine has two isotopes, chlorine 35, its percentage is 75%, and chlorine 37 and its percentage is 25%. So if I would like to find the average atomic mass for this chlorine, I can write it as, it exists as 75 into 35 plus 25 into 37 divided by the sum of this relative abundance, that is 100, as we have calculated in percentage. So that comes out to be 35.5, and thus this is in fraction. So answer for this is, why do we have this average atomic mass in fraction? That because they exist in the form of isotopes. So this is one of the very important topic. Please go through it. Why we'll be having sometimes the fractional atomic mass, or we calculate average atomic mass. So take the screenshot of this page and I'll move further. So 3, 2, 1. Okay. So next topic we have is, as we have discussed, or the name of this chapter is atom and molecule. So we have discussed what is an atom, how it exists, how it is, what is its size. As I have told you that it exists in free state, or it does not exist in free state rather, and it is very small. So when we talk about molecule, let us discuss what molecule is. So I can write molecule is the smallest particle of an element or compound. Smallest particle किसका? Element compound. ठीक है? That is capable of independent existence. So if it has independent existence, I call it as molecule. Suppose hydrogen, if I talk about, hydrogen does not exist as H. In nature, it exists as H2. So atom is H, its independent existence is H2. So hydrogen H2 is molecule. And it shows all the properties of substance. It shows all properties of substance. So if I talk about molecule, I say that it is the smallest particle of element or compound which has independent existence. This point actually differs this molecule from an atom. So now we'll be having two types of molecule. Molecules of element and molecules of compounds. We have molecules of elements and molecules of compounds. So we'll be having various molecules. So molecule of element, if I talk, it means we have same element. Like if I talk about O2, H2, Cl2. So they are elements of same atom. Suppose O3, it's not like that only two atoms are there. So same element. Okay. So it may be diatomic having atomicity 2, that means total number of atoms 2. It may be triatomic having atomicity 3, means total number of atoms in a molecule is 3. It may be octaatomic like sulfur. It may be tetraatomic like phosphorus. The thing is, it should be same. So we may have monoatomic also like helium. It is, though we call it as atom because it is single, but since noble gases have independent existence, so these noble gases are molecules also. So for noble gases, we call them as monoatomic molecules like helium, like neon, like argon. So they are monoatomic molecules. That means single atom wale molecules hai. So they have independent existence. Now we'll talk about molecules of compound. So when I talk about molecule of compound, I say that it may have different elements like H2O, hydrogen and oxygen. How many atoms are there? 2 plus 1, 3. So it is triatomic. HCl, diatomic. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, NH3. Total 4. Atomicity is 4. Tetraatomic. CO2. Triatomic, etc. So when we'll be having different elements in a molecule, we call it as molecule of compound. Same elements, we call it as molecule of element. Okay. So like we have discussed relative atomic mass, same we have relative molecular mass also. So what is relative molecular mass? बेटा ये भी important है, कई बार confusion हो जाता है. So don't get confused between the two things. When we talk about relative molecular mass, it's only the thing is we need to compare the mass of one molecule with 1/12 mass of one atom of carbon. That means नीचे तो 1/12 ही रहेगा. So if I write the formula, I can write it as mass of one molecule of substance divided by 1/12 mass of one atom of carbon 12 isotope. So ये फॉर्मूले आपसे बेटा डेफिनेशंस पूछी जाएंगी and you have to be very careful about this definition. And this is nothing but the molecular mass. Suppose I ask you what is the molecular mass of SO2. If I know the atomic mass of sulfur is 32 unit, for oxygen is 16 unit, so 16 into 2 plus 32, that makes 32 plus 32, 64. If I ask you to find the molar mass of CO2, so for carbon it is 12, for oxygen it is 16 into 2, so it is 12 plus 32 and I get it as 44. So am I supposed to write unit or gram? So if I talk about relative molecular mass, it is always in unit. If I write it as gram molecular mass, it means we'll talk about the mass of 1 mole molecule of compound, then it would become grams. So unit gram में कैसे बना, that I have explained in the previous video, that means first part of this. So go through that, then you can easily understand what is the difference and how do we have converted this unit into grams. Clear? So this is about the molecular mass Now we'll talk about the next topic, that any compound, any atom or group. अच्छा, इसकी screenshot ले लीजिए so that we'll move further. Great. Now the thing is, we'll talk about the next heading as ion. What is an ion? When we talk about ion, it is any atom or sometimes group of atoms, but they carry some charge, either positive or negative, but they carry some charge. We call them as ion. If it carries positive charge, then I call it as cation. If it carries negative charge, then we call it as anion. So we have cation, we have anion. What are cations? Cations are the ions that carry positive charge, and anions, ions carrying negative charge. Okay. So I have given you atom and I have told you it may be group of atoms. So if it is group of atom, if it is only atom, we'll be having monoatomic. That means only single atom is there. We call it as monoatomic ion, like Cl ion, like H plus ion. So it may be positive, it may be negative. Positive we call it as cation, negative I call it as anion. Or it may have a group of atom, and for group of atom we call it as polyatomic ion. So polyatomic means more than one atom is there. So suppose I am having carbonate, it has carbon, oxygen as well as charge on it. Okay, OH minus, oxygen and hydrogen as well as charge on it. Ammonium ion, positive charge, NH. So this is positive charge. So these are polyatomic. Poly means बहुत सारे atomic, यानी बहुत सारे atoms. So when it consists of group of atoms which carry charge, we call them as polyatomic ion. Next we have is valency. What is valency? So valency, when we talk, we say that it is combining capacity. कितने bond बना रहा है? It is equal to number of H atoms. कितने H atoms से जुड़ा हुआ है? और for ionic compound, it is equal to number of ions of charge on the ion. So for neutral atom, valency क्या हुई? Number of H atoms. कितने H atoms उससे जुड़े हुए? If H atom is not there, then we'll count how many bonds it has been bonded with. If it is ion, then, or ionic compound, if it is ionic compound, then we count valency as the number of ions or units of charge on the ion. Ion पे कितना charge present है, कितने unit charge present है, that is the valency for any ionic compound. So suppose I'll be having Cu plus 2. So its charge is plus 2, its valency is plus 2. Suppose I'll be having Fe plus 3. So its charge is plus 3. Okay. So that is for ionic compound, the charge is actually the valency. Clear? Now we'll talk about mole concept. Very, very, very important. So first I'll explain what is mole in terms of definition, then I'll tell you the trick how to find or solve any type of numerical given to you in the question paper by that trick. तो जल्दी से रेडी हो जाइए बेटा उस ट्रिक को पढ़ने के लिए, क्योंकि वो ट्रिक अगर आपको आ गई तो आपके मोल कंसेप्ट में, आई गारंटी मोल कंसेप्ट में आपको एक भी नंबर नहीं कटेगा. ठीक है. सो करना क्या है आपको, पहले मैं आपको बता दूं मोल कंसेप्ट है क्या. सो व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट मोल, सो आई हैव नंबर ऑफ डेफिनेशंस. लाइक इन टर्म्स ऑफ मास वी कैन राइट 1 मोल इज इक्वल टू एटॉमिक मास ऑफ एन एटम. In terms of or if I'll be having molecule, then it is equal to molar mass of molecule. Molar mass of molecule. ठीक है. In terms of number, it is equal to Na. Na is Avogadro number, which is equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 entities. What are entities? Entities means अगर हम आयन की बात करें, सपोज ऐसे 1 मोल ऑफ आयन में कितने आयन्स हैं, सो 1 मोल ऑफ आयन कंटेन दिस मच ऑफ आयन. इफ आई से 1 मोल ऑफ एटम में कितने एटम्स हैं, सो दिस मच ऑफ एटम. 1 मोल ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स में कितने मॉलिक्यूल हैं, सो दिस मच ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल. So entity means that species that we are talking about. Maybe ion, it may be electron, it may be atom, it may be neutron, it may be proton. Whatever I am talking about here, that will come here. In terms of volume, it is equal to 22.4 liter of gas, any gas at standard temperature and pressure. Standard temperature and pressure. So since we do not have a single definition of mole, we'll be having various definitions. Thus we use the word concept, mole concept. So we have mole concept this way. So just take the screenshot and I'm moving to that trick to solve the mole concept. उस mole concept को solve करने के लिए अब हम उस trick पे जा रहे हैं और जल्दी से आप इसकी screenshot ले लीजिए. Okay? So trick क्या है? Trick is a simple formula. What is that trick? Trick is a simple formula. So if I write number of moles is equal to mass divided by molar mass or atomic mass. Molar mass, the case when the molecule has been given, or we can take atomic mass when atom has been given. ठीक है? Is equal to number of molecules divided by Na. Na you know 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, which is also equal to volume of gas divided by 22.4 liter at STP. So just take the screenshot for this formula and I'll tell you how to solve such questions, right? So now be ready to solve the question and I'll tell you, suppose you're supposed to find moles, find number of moles, okay? And if mass is given to you 10 gram of say oxygen, 10 molecules of O2 and 10 liter of O2. Okay, so this is the question. That means I can use this formula, these formula. Okay, so suppose the first case, A part, let us take A part. Mass has been given to you. So number of moles is equals to mass divided by molar mass. हमें moles निकालने, I'll choose this one. हमें mass given है, I'll choose this one. So what formula am I taking is number of moles, mass divided by molar mass. So second part is number of molecules. So we have to find moles. So I'll take number of moles. Mass is not required, is not given. I'll skip this one. And molecules are given. So I'll choose this formula. So I'll compare this number of moles is equals to number of molecules divided by Na. Na is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So what am I supposed to write? This is, take this as X is equal to number of molecules 10 divided by this number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Since it's a quick revision, I'm not going to solve it. Please don't leave such answers in exam directly. Solve till end. Third is 10 liters. That means volume has been given and you're supposed to find moles. So I'll skip this one. This one I'll take moles and volume. So I'll compare these two formula. So number of moles is equal to volume of gas divided by 22.4 liter at STP. It must be given in the question. If it is not given, we consider it to be same. So again we take number of moles as X, volume given to us is 10 liter divided by 22.4. So that would be our answer in moles. Understood? So this is how we can find. So this is the thing. I have given you one question when number of moles you are supposed to find. Now we'll move when mass आपको निकालना है, when molecules आपको निकालने हैं और when volume आपको निकालना है. ठीक है? तो take the screenshot. 3, 2, 1. Great. And I'll move to the second question. And question number second is find mass of. So let us take अब moles ले लेते हैं. 10 moles of say oxygen. Okay. 10 molecules of O2 again and 10 liters of O2 and you are supposed to find mass. So हमें मास लेना है तो मास वाला फॉर्मूला यूज करें. दैट मीन्स हमें ये तो कंसीडर करना ही करना है, मास डिवाइडेड बाय मोलर मास. सो आई टेक दिस फॉर्मूला एंड आई कंपेयर व्हाट आई रिक्वायर एक्चुअली. सो आंसर फॉर ए पार्ट, since I'm supposed to find mass, so I'll take the formula of mass divided by molar mass is equal to number of moles. Okay, can I write this way? Simple, कोई बात नहीं है, कोई चेंज थोड़ी किया फॉर्मूले में. So I'll take mass as x divided by again 16 into 2, 32 is equal to number of moles given to us is 10. So x comes out to be 10 into 32, that means 320. ये किस में आ जाएगा? ग्राम्स में, बिकॉज आपको मास निकालना है एंड मोल्स आर कंपेयर्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ मास, ग्राम्स. ओके, सो दैट 320 कम्स आउट टू बी इन ग्राम्स. लेट अस टेक सेकेंड. मास निकालना है, मॉलिक्यूल्स है. सो मास निकालना है, मॉलिक्यूल्स गिवन है. सो आई टेक दीज टू फॉर्मूले, आई कंपेयर दीज टू. सो व्हाट एम आई सपोज टू राइट इज मास डिवाइडेड बाय मोलर मास is equal to number of molecules divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. What do I get? I'll take mass as x, molar mass I know, number of molecules given divided by Na. So you can solve, I think आप लोग 9th क्लास के आराम से solve कर सकते हैं. So let us move further and now this time I have volume and mass. So अब आपको समझ में आ गया mass और volume. So we'll take these two formula. Correct? So what am I supposed to write is, बोलते जाओ mass divided by molar mass. अब आपको इतना समझ में आ जाना चाहिए कि अब आप ये खुद से कर सको, फटाफट से कर सको, मुझसे पहले आपका आंसर आ जाना चाहिए. वॉल्यूम ऑफ गैस डिवाइडेड बाय 22.4 लीटर. So we'll take mass as x, molar mass as 32, वॉल्यूम कितना, जल्दी बोलो, 10, नीचे आया 22.4 लीटर. सो x आपका आ जाएगा. ऑल दीज आंसर्स विल बी इन ग्राम क्योंकि आप यहां निकाल रहे हैं मास. अंडरस्टूड? सो अगेन टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट. मास निकालना भी आ गया. आई होप अब मुझे लग रहा है कि आपको समझ में आ गया. सो आई विल गिव यू वन मोर एग्जाम्पल एंड लास्ट वाला आप लोग खुद करेंगे, कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे आंसर देंगे. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स इन. ठीक है, लेट अस टेक, अब मैं एटम ले लेती हूं एक, नहीं मॉलिक्यूल पूछा है तो चलो एटम तो हम लेंगे नहीं. लेट अस टेक 10 moles of CO2 be 10 gram of CO2 and C 10 liter of CO2. Okay, so this time molecules have been given to you. So molecule given है, हम ये वाला फॉर्मूला उठाएंगे और उसको कंपेयर करेंगे अलग अलग चीजों से. ओके, सो आंसर ए, नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स इज इक्वल टू, क्या करें, मोल्स है, नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स डिवाइडेड बाय Na is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 is equal to number of moles. So what am I supposed to write is, take number of molecules as x, जो हमें निकालना है, डिवाइडेड बाय 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 is equal to number of moles given to us is 10. So x comes out to be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 into 10 means 10 to the power 24. That would be your number of molecules. Let us move to B part. Number of molecules given है, mass आपको निकालना है. So we take number of molecules and we take mass वाला formula. इन दोनों को correlate करेंगे. Okay? So I'll take number of molecules divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 is equal to mass divided by molar mass. So number of molecules, we'll take x divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 is equal to mass given to us is 10 and molar mass 12 plus 16 into 2, that is 32 plus 12, 44. More 44. So we can find this x. Great. Third is volume. Number of molecules and volume. So we'll compare these two formulae. Clear? वेरी गुड। अब आई होप आप लोगों को बहुत अच्छे से क्लियर हो गया होगा, अब कोई डाउट नहीं होगा। तो आई जस्ट राइट, एंड वॉल्यूम का क्या फॉर्मूला है? वॉल्यूम ऑफ गैस divided by 22.4 liter at STP. So I'll take number of molecules as X. This is given in the question, sorry, in the formula. Volume in the question 10 divided by 22.4 X आप solve कर लीजिएगा. So this is how we can calculate number of molecules from any type of question, whatever has been given. And last, that is your homework. अब ये आपको करना है, अब ये आपका homework है, ठीक है? And question is question number 4. Find volume of, ठीक है? A 10 gram of ammonia gas and 10 molecules of ammonia gas. So this is basically your homework, and please do mention your answer in the comment section, as well as if you have any problem, if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. You want some other topics to be discussed, you want any type of help in your studies, you can write in the comment section. So please solve these questions, like and share this video as much as you can, क्योंकि बेटा बच्चों को सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम मोल कंसेप्ट में है। एंड बच्चों, अगर ये मोल कंसेप्ट आप लोगों ने कर लिया तो मुझे लगता है कि अब एक भी नंबर कटना नहीं चाहिए। आई होप आप लोगों को भी अब इतना अच्छे से कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया होगा कि यस मैम, अब तो एक नंबर भी नहीं कटेगा। तो बेटा ये आप मुझसे नहीं, अपने आप से प्रॉमिस कीजिए, वहां गलती नहीं हो। सो प्लीज, अगर अच्छा लगा है, अगर इस सच में वीडियो आपको पसंद आया है, तो प्लीज इसे लाइक कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स को शेयर कीजिए, एंड डू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। थैंक यू एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल।